The North Central Local Government Association has just recently held its 59th annual general meeting. It pulled together more than 30 resolutions to head to government for consideration. But the organization also plans to make some internal changes as well.
The North Central Local Government Association covers a wide swath of communities, from 100 Mile House to the Yukon border, from the Alberta border to Prince Rupert. While issues range in significance for different communities, the board has decided to go big.
We're going to advocate more for those big ticket items like transportation. If it happens to be Highway 16 or another highway where it needs 3-laning or whatever, we need to do that. Healthcare and communications. There's a lot of communities in our area that don't have proper communications. So we need to work on that.
It's important that we have representation across northern British Columbia throughout the NCLGA, and that we've got communities represented, big and small, urban and rural, and that we go together and we're united on 2 or 3 or 4 key issues that we can all get around and support.
The North Central Local Government Association was formed in 1956 with a mandate to serve as an effective purpose in intermunicipal relations and prove very valuable to individual municipalities. But following the last meeting, the board heard of a desire to change the nature of the NCLGA.
We understand it's a tough thing for communities to pay fees to be part of an organization. They want to see results. And all of our predecessors from the NCLGA previous boards have paved this road for us to become more advocates on their behalf. So that's what we're trying to do.
The Federation of Canadian Municipalities Convention gets underway this week in Niagara Falls. Mayor Sherry Green says it would be an ideal model as an effective lobby organization.
They have a strategy that everyone across the nation as member communities can relate to, and they're very effective in their efforts in working with the federal government, and I think NCLGA is seeing that that's probably a methodology they should try in terms of issues we have at the provincial level. So I'm excited to see what they're prepared to do moving forward.
The annual general meeting for the association in 2015 will take place in Prince George. Cheryl Jan, CKPG News.